There's the British Airways that I was waiting for. It came in on this side instead of the side that I wanted it, that I was expecting it to come in on. Is that? Oh, dang it! I think Qantas 100 year livery is going to the hangar instead of taking off. There's Maz there. Why does he have his strobes on taxiing? I wonder why he has his strobes on. He's taxiing. He isn't taking off. There's the Air Canada A330 that landed. So there's an American Airlines that landed. Oh, the 737s take off pretty late. Why does he have his strobes on? He's taxiing. I think this is turning into Infinite Flight in real life. People taxiing with their strobes on. And not their nav beacon and landing lights because landing lights are the closest thing to taxi lights in Infinite Flight. Oh, a pencil. Here comes the pencil. Flying pencil. Thing is long. Is this another plane taking off right after him? Oh, it's a approach. It's landing. That's an arrival. It's Alaska. The British Airways A380 should be coming in pretty soon. Another crappy Reginald. That stupid thing. That stupid thing. I hate that thing. This thing right here, I hate it. What is a FedEx A300? Getting ready to take off. Comes the A300. I don't know why it's taking off on 25 right instead of 25 left. Because usually the cargo planes take off on 25 left. Like that 748 that I didn't get to get video of from yesterday because my phone storage ran out at the worst time ever. And that's the earliest takeoff ever. That was an early takeoff. That's the only Airbus with a yoke. The A300 and the A310. Only ones with a yoke. I wonder why Airbus didn't make more of the A310s. There's only the A300 and the A310. No more of those. But the A310 is, and the A310 and the A300 is kind of in the A330 family because they look alike. Just the A310 and the A300 is older. And Lufthansa is leaving. Is he gonna take off here or on Westchester? It's like a Fiji. The Fiji 350, and I just lost it. Oh, there it is. Found it. Like 3 planes lined up right there. Oh, it's Singapore. The Singapore that landed this morning. I can't believe it's still there. It should have left hours ago. The Singapore cargo. Came in this morning. I hope the Lufthansa. Oh yeah, it's a takeoff. It's taking off. It's not going to the hangar or something like that. It's taking off. They're unhooking it. They're unhooking it from the truck there. They're going to take off. It's a little prop plane. They're gonna start testing the rudder and lower the flaps and the ailerons, the elevators, and the spoilers. Wonder if they I wonder if they test the lights so the lights don't break down. They probably don't, because if a light breaks down on a plane, it's not too big of a problem, but the only problem is gonna be is no one's gonna be able to see you when you're coming in. They're finally moving. United, get out of the way, Mr. United Airlines. Oh, yep, I saw the slats come out along with the flaps. I hope Infinite Flight gets buildings. Oh, they're testing the rudder.